Shalom. No, I can't say.
Oh no, not allowed.
Did he really just say that? How you doing? Sorry.
Sorted?
Yeah.
Right, he's good apparently.
Yeah, are you good to go? How you doing, Tom? Cool. Is everyone out their cars? Anyone hiding? Where's that? The Billy gone? Is she hiding in that car?
It's gone to the toilet.
Don't take piss.
Okay, looking at who's won stuff, anyone not here that shouldn't be here or should be here? Mind you, that bit from Greece, doesn't it? I don't get paid a lot, but it's fucking fun. No, sorry. Go on, you strike me down, he will. Right, sure. Yeah, so anyone on the list that isn't on the list? What do you mean your one's alright? What list is that? Okay. Okay then. Alright, well let's do the, what's the trophies called?
Trophies?
This is the admin, by the way.
Star Award.
I feel I should introduce you all a bit more for those that don't know. So this is, okay, and by the way, just a big shout out, congratulations to my old mucker Richard Amos for accepting to become a club mod. Thank you very much, Richard. So looking at my admins, James, how you doing?
How are you?
I'm cool. How's your day been? You enjoyed it? It's been good. How's mum and dad? Good? You know they're going to watch this, you know that, don't you? This is going to be on YouTube next March, Adrian. Yeah. Everyone's got their Select Tints shirts on? We had to do a quick rethink. It weren't so much the women, the men had to put a black top on to get on the show, mate. How we doing, Pooch? Alright. Ain't there something from Gavin and Stacey? Or is it a different programme? I don't know. Anyway, Spirit of the this is a bit slapdash, I've got to be honest. Second place Star Award. Tracy, who's got second place Star Award?
Ian Hadley.
Ian Hadley, come on down. Especially from Harry Kane, he said, you get Ian Hadley. Very impressed with the car, it's very clean and tidy. So congratulations on that. Don't go anywhere, because these two need to be taking pictures and stuff. Yeah, don't know what they're doing. You're welcome. Star Award, first place, Full Power Live, 17th September 2023, sponsored by Select Tints. Now, just a quick plug on Select Tints. There is Frosty. Select Tints done the rear window tints back in 2016. In my opinion, they look just as good as the factory ones. Not one blemish, not one little bubble or anything else. So I can't rave on this guy and the class of cars he gets as well. They're all, no, I'm not going to say that. No, class of cars is brilliant. First place, James, on the Star Award that the staff have picked at goes to
the Silver Fiesta FG51 GVR.
Congratulations! Was you expecting that? No? Are you into your football? I know that weren't football. Anyway, there's your wall. Don't darts, we need to get some pictures of you, all your other contestants, because this goes into it, we don't go into a big draw. Thank you very much. Right, we go into the main three trophies. Who's got third place for Full Power Live? James, I know you got your list mentally done.
The Green Focus RS VE10 EVV.
Go on, add him in now. All the way from Temple Wheel in 6 hours. Yeah, I know you are. Congratulations. There you go, there's your trophy. Smile.
We'll go around your house for a warm up then.
Yeah, we will. Congratulations. Don't go anywhere because we're going to be getting some pictures done. That reminds me, but this, come here, I want to show you something. Because this reminds me of your mum. A hook. Hook. No, Hook from Peter Pan. Yeah. Second place.
The Green Sierra Cosworth.
Congratulations! Car's looking immense. I did check it over earlier on. Yeah, I guaranteed it isn't stolen and it's not early 90s, but it's in amazing. Don't go yet. No, congratulations on the car. It's always hard, but I have to be honest on conditions of the car. But don't go anywhere, so we're going to get some photos of everyone together and you as well. Thank you very much. Can you give this truck the last trophy out, please? No, it is time for you to excel. I just want you to do the last trophy. You can go with her as well, come on. You can tell her.
So first place to Mr. Amos and his stunning Orion.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So now we have my Spirit of the Club Award. Just want to say again today, thank you everybody for coming down. I'm not quite sure what happened with the Williams hand, and they told me that was Engraving. This one here reckons you sent me a text message.
Chalky.
Yeah. Today.
Chalky. Mike.
Liam?
That's
Oh
better.
no, I thought it was an earpiece.
That's better.
Yeah. So yeah, just a big thank you for everybody to come in. Very impressed with your Sierra, your Focus. You thought you changed it then, didn't you? You did get a no-name back. So Spirit of the Club Award. It's an odd award to give out, but it means the most. It normally goes to a staff member, and this year isn't, unfortunately, for everybody else. It isn't any different because it's based on the amount of work that people have done for the club. And everybody has done a cracking job, but more so than anybody is the admin. And this is, for the first time ever, is going to be shared between 3 people, so they've got to share it between them, and that is the free admin on the club. So would you like to come and get your award, please? No, you've got to come round this bit. Don't come round the back. Well, this is where it all happens round here. Oh, did I? Oh dear. Just I was about to win the company tour in the canteen at the Cuttery. Congratulations, all 3 of you, on your Spirit of the Club Award. So have you worked out who's gonna take it first? No? Who do we think should take the trophy home first? Anne. Okay. The bad news is, come to kind of March, you've got to go down to the West Country, chop it off. Yeah, no, guys, just want to say thank you to everybody for to coming today. The weather has held off. We was thinking about doing a rollover, but I'd much rather that not happen. Massive shout out to again to Select Tints. Rob did want to be here. He did want to judge the. Wow.
Cheers, Trace.
How rude, I thought, yeah, Rob did want to do the judging, but yeah, as you can see, this banner is absolutely awesome. The t-shirts for the staff that they've now got to wear to next year at work and stuff. I'm looking forward to the break now, because I've got my Q4 coming up with Rjsworld. So it's going to be, hopefully it's going to be a busy time. Frosty will go into retirement. I won't watch it now until the next event. If you want to come round, you're more than welcome. I don't I don't mind. But yeah, no, just a massive thank you to everybody. Seeing some new faces, old faces today. So a massive pat on the back to you all. Trophy winners, if you want to come up now, we're going to get
Just
the picture.
bear with us.
Oh dear. Go on.
Can our staff come up?
Oh, fuck off.
Can't.
Oh,
You can, yeah.
That's a bit of a bully, isn't it? Where do I tell Rocky?
She hasn't met him yet.
No, it's a sump. Cobb. Have you? How much is that in all then? The 250.
So, we'd like to give you this, RJ, as a team, to say a big thank you. We've had many ups and downs over the year. It has made us all stronger, and we feel that you have been a great support to all of us. And we all enjoy being part of FCGB. Here's to the next season, making it even better.
Cheers guys, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Pete. I think everybody would agree this year has been a tough year. Those that are in the know how hard it is to try and run Paul Club GB and keep it up to a mark, and I thought we all kind of be advocates for mental health and everything else, but it's real and it's painful. We have our good days and we have our bad days, but yeah, it's all about, like I said, I'm looking forward to the break. It won't be a total break. How can I have a total break? There's the rain moss there. Hopefully Louise watches this as well, and I hope things go really, really well. I know it's just 2 years now since I've not seen you. I will have to try and get the address off of Richard so we can send something over to him. But again, just a thank you to the staff for the trophy. It means a hell of a lot. But more so, thank you to the team and everybody else here today. Trophy winners, if you want to come up, we're going to take some pictures. Thank you.
And Louise, trophy winners behind me. Where are you going? Raise them up a bit. Raise them up a bit.
1, 2, 3, say cheese!
Dear me.
Say bangers of mash!
Sorted.